Hey folks, welcome back to the Military Uniform Supply YouTube channel, and today we're going to take a look at the Army Blue Service Cap. Now this is a cap that is worn on the ASUs or the dress blues, and this one in particular is worn by NCOs, corporal, sergeants, or higher. And you can tell that by the single yellow band, and this is a bit different from officers. The cap that we sell is for enlisted. Now the purpose of this video is this is one of our top selling products, but a lot of folks have contacted us asking us how to put on this device. So today we're going to take a look at putting the device on and even putting on the chin strap. So I hope you find this information useful, and let's dig right in. So let's take our Army Blue Service Cap straight out of the box and put it together. Now each of these packages should include one Army Service Cap and at least one set of buttons that are going to hold the chin strap in place. This one has two sets, one that's already attached and one extra one. Of course, we can't guarantee that those are going to be available in every box. Now we also have our cap device, which is the reason for making this video. These things are very tough to put on, and we'll go through that in just a moment. We also have our chin strap. We have the gray felt that will go facing towards the cap and the black leather that will be facing on the outside. So let's take a look at this service cap. Now I have already removed the piece that holds this together. So when you do this, you just want these two pieces here, and you want to hit the eyelet with the center of the cap device and held it pressed together. Now this is really going to work your fingers, and it is going to require some pressure to keep it in place. Now once you have a good firm grip on it, we're going to want to look on the inside, and you're barely going to be able to see that bolt coming through. So it's very important that you put this nut on top of it in the way that it's shown here. So it's going to be the flat side pointing down. Now it is going to take quite a bit of time to be able to get this in place. As you can see here, this is an elapsed time of just over 3 minutes. Again, you have to really be firm holding that cap into place, holding the device in place with your thumb, and then screwing it down and tightening it up. Now once everything is snug and together, our cap device is in place, and this is a military regulation gold colored disc about 1.5 inches in diameter, and it features the gold colored metal coat of arms of the United States. Now let's go ahead and add the chin strap. We'll want to remove the buttons from the side if they are in place, and then we're going to need to stretch out the chin strap so that it can be wrapped around the visor of the cap. Now that we have this all stretched out, again, the felt part is going to go towards the cap, and the black shiny leather is going to be on the outside. And of course, this is a lot easier to do than the actual cap device on the front. You just put it over the hole and then replace the button. Now with that in place, let's do the same thing on the other side. Now it did take a few times to be able to get the eagle in the upright position, but it wasn't too bad. Now once we have that in place, we're going to tighten up the chin strap on the front and make sure that it is even on both sides. So now with our leather chin strap in place and everything good to go, let's take a look at the inside, where you can see this is a nice comfortable hat to wear. Everything looks legit. It has a very nice leather sweatband, and our cap is ready to go. We have applied our cap device, we've applied our chin strap, and everything is ready to be worn with our Army service uniform or our military dress blues. So that is the Army Blue Service Cap, and this is again one of our top selling items, and it is excellent quality. Now as far as how you wear this, I'm not too sure how that is supposed to go, because I've always worn a beret or a garrison cap, so be sure to leave a comment below. Does that look right? I think it's supposed to set like straight on your head, but I'm not for certain. So if you found this video useful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. If there's other items that you'd like to see presented on the channel, be sure to comment with that as well. Thank you very much for watching, and on to the next.